Never get stuck with the portable tow truck, the amazingly simple yet powerful emergency tire traction aid. Give your vehicle instant traction on all types of slippery terrain, mud, sand, snow, or ice. Using the portable tow truck is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Put your vehicle in park and engage the parking brake. Wedge the portable tow truck in front of your drive tire, then slowly accelerate to safer ground. It's that easy. The secret of how it works is the multiple types of cleats on either side of the traction aid. One side is specially designed to grip your tire, while the other side digs into the driving surface, giving your vehicle a secure foundation to safely pull forward from virtually any emergency situation. The portable tow truck is extremely tough, durable, and long-lasting, but portable enough to be stored in the trunk of any vehicle. It weighs less than 3 pounds and does not require installation or assembly, making it easy to use by anyone. Each package comes with 2 traction mats, one for each drive tire, and complete step-by-step instructions. It works with all types of vehicles: front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, trucks, even RVs and fleet vehicles. No matter what you drive, you'll never want to travel without your own portable tow truck. Don't spend big money for roadside assistance. Get the peace of mind you and your family deserve with the portable tow truck. It's the first tow truck you keep in your trunk.